Hi everyone! Have you ever wanted to turn your Ubuntu interface into a sleek and beautiful macOS-style desktop? In this video, I'll guide you step by step to completely transform your system, from the dock and icons to the overall look and feel, so it looks just like a macOS. Let's get started. First, open the terminal window. Next, we'll update the repository list to make sure the system is up to date before installing anything. Next, we will run a command to install the necessary tools for customizing the interface. Just copy and run it as shown. After the installation is complete, log out and log back in so all changes and extensions can be properly applied. After logging back in, go to Show Applications, find the Extensions app we just installed, and open it. When the Extensions window appears, scroll down and find the User Themes section. Turn it on so you can use and apply custom themes to your system. Next, reopen the terminal window so we can continue installing the components needed for customizing the interface. For the theme pack, we'll start by downloading a very popular macOS-style theme by Vince Lewis. Just run the command shown on the screen. After downloading, you'll get a theme folder like this. Go ahead and navigate into that folder to continue. Next, run the following command to install the theme on your system. This command runs the theme's install script with several options. It installs all theme variants, uses the glassy transparent style, applies the dark mode, and includes additional tweaks to make the interface look more like macOS. Once the installation finishes and shows done, it means the theme has been installed successfully. Next, we'll move on to installing the icon pack to complete the macOS-style look of the system. Similar to the theme step, we'll first download the icon pack from GitHub. Just run the command shown on the screen. Next, navigate into the folder you just downloaded to continue the installation steps. Here, you just need to run the installer to install the icon pack onto your system. Next, we'll download a macOS-style cursor pack from GitHub. Just run the command shown on the screen. Similarly, navigate into the folder you just downloaded to continue the installation. Here, we just need to run the install file to install the cursor pack on the system. Alright, now we have the theme, icons, and cursor ready. Next, we'll configure and apply these components to complete the macOS-style interface on the system. Next, go to Show Applications, then open Settings to configure the dock in a macOS style. From the left menu, click on Ubuntu Desktop to start customizing the dock. In Position on screen, select Bottom to move the dock to the bottom like macOS. Then, turn off Panel Mode to make the dock look cleaner and more like macOS. At this point, you can already see the interface starting to look like macOS. Next, open Show Applications again, and we'll continue fine-tuning a few more details to complete the look. Here, Find and open Tweaks to continue customizing the interface. In the Tweaks window, select Appearance from the left menu. Under Cursor, select macOS-like from the list we installed earlier. Next, under Icons, choose White or Dark to apply the dark icon style. Similarly, under Shell, select White or Dark to apply the theme to the top bar. Finally, under Legacy Applications, also select White or Dark to keep the interface consistent across the system. At this point, elements like the dock, icons, and even the maximize/minimize buttons already look quite similar to macOS. However, the effects are not quite smooth yet. When moving or resizing windows, the animations still feel basic and not as polished. Next, we'll install additional effects to make the interface smoother and more visually appealing, closer to macOS. So we'll install a tool to manage and install extensions. This tool makes it easy to search for, install, and manage extensions to add more effects and features to your interface. After the installation is complete, find the app called Extension Manager in Show Applications and open it. When the window appears, switch to the Browse tab to look for the extensions you need. First, we'll search for Magic Lamp in the search bar to install a macOS-style minimize animation effect. Then click Install to start installing this extension on your system. Next, search for and install Blur My Shell. This extension adds blur effects to the top bar, dock, and other areas, making the interface look more modern and macOS-like. Finally, search for and install Compy's Windows Effect. This extension adds window animations like maximize, minimize, and moving effects, making the interface feel smoother and more dynamic. After installation is complete, go back to the Installed tab and make sure all 3 extensions we just installed are enabled successfully. That's it. Now try moving or resizing a window. You'll notice the animations are much smoother and more visually appealing. Good luck, everyone! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.